If you want to go viral on YouTube and TikTok and earn monthly income from these platforms, you have clicked on the right video. The niche I am about to reveal is unsaturated, because many people don't know how to make these videos. So I would suggest that you act fast before it gets saturated. The niche I am talking about is the message story niche. You have probably seen some of these videos on TikTok or YouTube. There is a lot of sub-niches in this niche. You can write a story about your girlfriend cheating on you, your boss wanting to fire you, or you can write a story about you and your friend. The list goes on. So in the next few minutes, I am going to show you exactly how you can create these videos for free. Here is an example video.
Mom, did you invite anyone over?
No, why?
This lady is at the door. She don't look well. I think she's saying something.
Do not open the door, Mary.
What? Why? What if she needs help?
Did you not hear what I said? Do not open the door!
So first we need a script for our story. You can write the story yourself, as it will be more natural. Or if you're not a good writer like me, you can also use Chatgpt. So go over to Chatgpt and paste this prompt. I will leave the prompt in the description. Write me a short story about a girl who cheated on her boyfriend with his best friend, but the boyfriend doesn't care. The story should be in message format. The girlfriend's name is Alice and the boyfriend's name is Jack. Make the story so that it evolves to the girlfriend wanting to come back. Now Chatgpt will generate you a script in seconds. Now head over to 11labs.io, which is a software that will generate high-quality voiceovers for you, which can be monetized. Now go back to Chatgpt and copy the first part of the conversation. Paste it into 11 Labs. Go to the voice library and choose any of these voices. I'm going to use the Adam and Rachel voice for this video. Now use the Adam voice for the male and the Rachel voice for the female. Now click Generate for the first part of the conversation using the Rachel voice. Now do this for the rest of the conversation. Now we need a background video. This can be Minecraft or GTA, as they have proven to generate millions of views on these platforms. Go over to YouTube and search for Minecraft gameplay non-copyright 4K. Browse through all of these videos and select one you like. Now to download the video, go to any YouTube to MP4 converter, paste the link and click download. Now for the text messages. You probably thought that you have to actually type these messages and send it to another phone and screenshot it. But luckily for you, I have found a website that will do all of that for you. The website I am talking about is fakedetails.com. If you open the website and click on the menu tab, you will see there is a lot of options. You can generate WhatsApp chats, Instagram chats, etc. For this tutorial, I am going to select the chats option. As you can see, you can customize this template as you like. You can change the background of the text, the time and the date, or you can remove the header and footer. I will be using iPhone chats. I am going to change the name of the chat to Alice. Now we want to go back to Chatgpt and we want to copy the first text message. Now go back to the website and paste it into person 1, which is the receiver. Now go back to Chatgpt and copy the second text message and paste it into person 2, which is the sender. Now repeat for all of the text messages. After you have done all of the messages, you can download them as a screenshot. Now we need to edit it into a video. Go to any video editing software. Add the video you downloaded to the timeline. Now add the voices you have downloaded to the timeline. Make sure it is in the right order. Now add the screenshots you downloaded as an overlay. Edit the screenshot so that it only shows the first message. Now edit the screenshot so that it shows the first 2 messages, and so on. I am sure you know how the rest of it goes. You can now upload the videos to TikTok and YouTube and get monetized.
We're so happy you stuck around till the end of the video. Your support really means a lot to us. Thank you for spending your time with us and being a part of our community. We can't wait to see you in the next one.